the next question that we have is, what were some study tips that you had for students looking to go into the medical field?
Once I got to med school, they told us to do a lot of concept maps. So being able to take all the information and draw it out on a piece of paper in terms of figuring out how everything fits together. And maybe it makes more sense at this level because we learn in a block system. So we're learning about like one organ or one like system at a time. And so they all kind of fit together. But if you could do that, like it has been shown that it's a lot more helpful because you are actually connecting the dots, you are understanding the concept. You're not just memorizing facts. And so I would urge you guys to see if maybe that would work for you, concept maps. The other thing we do is we do a 3-pass system. So the first time we go through all the material by ourselves. The second time I like to kind of go in and to group study and like we draw out some of those concept maps together, create flow charts, whatever it is that will kind of condense all of that material. And then the third time we go back and we're doing like more practice problems, whatever I think I didn't fully understand, I get it again. But at that point, now I've reviewed the material at least 3 times before I go into the exam. So you should have a good understanding and grasp of the material. So that's another thing that I learned recently, and maybe it'll work out for you guys too.
How has presenting research at symposiums helped you involve yourself with your medical career? And what would you say is your favorite part of research?
You get to see a bunch of different research projects coming to life, especially like the research symposiums. You get to see what everyone else is working on. And sometimes you'll see like something that you had never even heard of. And it's something so incredibly cool that it sparks like a new creativity in you. So I'd say for me, it's just the overall community, like seeing everything in that is probably like my favorite part.
So our first question is from Jennifer Fang, who's currently attending Beckman High School, who's asking, do you recommend any competitions for high schoolers that are going to go into the medical field?
There was a competition, it was called like Regeneron. And then there was Bio Olympiad. I did Bio Olympiad. I think the questions there are super hard, but it really challenges you to think. So you can get a gist of how maybe even med school questions are like. So I personally like those two. I have also done HOSA.